Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que. I'm Justin, and today we're going to do a twice smoked spiral cut ham. It's tender, juicy, smoky, and it's easy to do, and it's coming up right now. Let's go ahead and fire up the smoker. We're going to use some cherry wood today, down the hatch. We're going to use royal oak lump charcoal. Let's see if I've been living right. Oh yeah. Couple tumbleweeds. Okay, so what we have here is a bone-in spiral cut ham. It's already been smoked, so essentially we're just warming this thing back up to 145 degrees internal. We got the smoker going. It's gonna be at 250 degrees here in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and get this seasoned up with our pyro candy. This is a sweet heat rub that we offer for purchase in our Etsy store, and I'll put a link to that in the description box below. Kind of let it fall down and pat it on the sides. Remember, this already has some flavor from the first time it was smoked. I just picked this up from Walmart. We're gonna put a glaze on this the last 15 to 30 minutes. It's gonna be salted caramel, and I may add a little bit extra to that. Be sure and throw your rub at the camera. Okay, the smoker is up to 250 degrees. Let's get this ham on there. We'll go ahead and stick a probe in away from the bone in the thickest part of the ham. And we're looking for 145 degrees internal. Okay, we're about 3.5 hours in on our cook. The ham is smelling great. It's at 120 degrees internal. So I'm gonna take this time to go ahead and prep the glaze. And today we're just using the glaze that comes with the ham. You know, those little packets? Yeah, you've seen them. And the one we're using today is sea salt caramel, or caramel sea salt, one or the other. Sounded good. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so that's what we got. I just mixed that up, added some water until the consistency was, you know, kind of thick, but not, you know, not too thick. So I went ahead and added a little knob of butter there. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute, something like that, to get the butter melted down. And then we're gonna let that ham come up to about 125, 130, and then we're gonna glaze it. Okay, our ham is at 130 degrees internal. You can see here that it's got a pretty nice bark. So what we wanna do next is go ahead and apply our glaze. All right, let's get that glaze on. Man, this smells amazing. I can't wait to try this. That salted caramel glaze, I think, is gonna be a winner. We put that butter in there for a little extra shine, a little more richness. This is gonna be fantastic. So be sure you use all that glaze. Don't be shy. Okay, we got our ham glazed up. Let's just dump the rest on top. Might as well use all of it, right? There we go, looking good. All right, let's see how we're looking. We got that glaze on there. I bet it's set and looks really good right now. I would say that's a thing of beauty. This looks fantastic. I think it's just gonna pull right apart if I'm not too careful. Let's see. I wanna get some slices. I'm just gonna go in this way right here. Take this guy. Oh, buddy. Would you look at that? Juicy, smoky, fall apart tender. I mean, look at that, nice bark. Let's try a bite. All right, here we go. I like these little barky pieces. Smoky, sweet. It's got a little bit of that heat from the pyro candy. And that salted caramel, that glaze that we put on the last 10 or 15 minutes, fantastic. I'm taking this in for dinner. So good. Hey, if you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help us grow. We certainly appreciate it. We'll see you next time.